This is Drummuir railway station on the Keith and Dufftown Heritage Railway in Aberdeenshire. It's the intermediate stop on this 11-mile heritage line that runs from Dufftown down to Keith Town Station. It was opened in 1862 and was operated for many years with the Great North of Scotland Railway, serving the nearby Drummuir Castle and estate, as well as the village. To the east lies the request stop of Tower Moor, beside the old distillery, and to the west was the location of the old Drummuir curlers platform at Loch Park. Drummuir station once had a passing loop with 2 platforms, 2 signal boxes, goods sidings and a goods shed. These were all demolished and everything had to be built afresh.
A wave as well, which was nice.
Yeah. Having been closed in 1968 by British Railways, it was reopened by the Heritage Railway in 2003 and for a while served as the terminus of the line. A nature trail and bird hide have been built here. There's also a system of walks that run through the woods. The shelter's been built next to the station, which covers a reading seat, a storyteller's seat. St Fumac's well stood nearby, and a local celebration of St Fumac's Day still takes place.